welcome back to my channel. If you've still not subscribed my channel, do hit the red button below. Also click the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get a notification. हमने थोड़ी बहुत German सीख ली है, but still we have not learned how to form a sentence. So today हम learn करेंगे how to form a sentence in German. Okay, how to create a structure, a sentence structure. So let's get. The very first thing which we need to learn is the verb comes at the second position. For example, ich heiße Isha. I'll just write it for better understanding. Ich heiße Isha. Okay, so here heiße is the verb. Heißen means to be called. Okay, so heißen means to be called. Here, the verb comes at the second position. So the verb comes at the second position. Ich is the subject or subject. Ich is the subject. I. Now, we always have to remember that subject conjugates the verb. Subject conjugates the verb. For example, for the same verb, we take Sie. So it will be Sie heißen, whatever the name is, okay? So now here you see that heißen, that means the conjugation got changed. Why? Because here the subject got changed. Here it was ich, I, and here it was Sie, you, okay? Let's take another example. Since we have not done a lot of sentence videos, so हम वो sentences लेंगे जो हम already कर चुके हैं, okay? We will take those sentences which we have already covered in the previous video. And if you have not watched my previous video, do click on the I button. You will get those videos. So for example, ich wohne in Delhi. Okay. Now, wohne is the verb. What is the position? Second, right? So that is clear. Verb की position हमेशा second place पे आएगी. Okay. There are a couple of cases where this rule is not valid. We would do that. Okay. Now you tell me. Ich bin traurig. Okay. Now you tell me which is the subject, which is the verb. Okay. So now this is the verb, this is the verb, and this is the subject. Verb at the second position. Ich bin traurig. I am sad. Ich bin traurig. The verb comes at the second position. So let's do some easy sentences. Zum Beispiel, ich bin traurig. Ich heiße Isha. Ich wohne in Neu-Delhi. Ich komme aus Indien. These are sentences which I already covered in the previous video, so it gets easier for you to relate. Or you can say, ich bin 21 Jahre alt, like your age. I am 21 years old. So again, in all of these sentences, the verb comes at the second position. So now let's come to the question part, okay? There are two types for questions. W-Frage. Okay, now I guess it's clear. And Ja-Nein-Frage. We have the same case in English also. Like W-Frage are the questions like where, wo, woher, wie, welche, and etc. etc. So where the questions start from the letter W. Okay. And Ja-Nein-Frage are those wherein the answer would be either in yes or no. For example, do you want to go for a movie? Do you want to eat this? Would you like to join us? So it's just you will have to reply with a yes or no. So those are Ja-Nein-Frage. The position of verb here will be second as usual. The position of verb will be second here. but not here. Okay, in today's video we would just cover Wave-Frage and not Ja-Nein-Frage. We would cover Ja-Nein-Frage in a separate video, otherwise this video become too long. Okay, so just take an easy example. Wo, I hope my handwriting is visible. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Now if you notice, the subject came at the third position, but the verb, which is wohnen, to live, remains at the second position again. The verb will not change its position. It is again on the second position. Okay, for example, now we will take again a very known question. Woher kommen Sie? Where is the verb? At the second position again. Here is the subject. My writing is not that bad in real, then it's just, I don't know. So I guess now it's pretty much clear to you and you would be able to make simple sentences in German. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video and choose